Right now we're heading off to Universal Studios. It's about 5:40 a.m. in the morning. We are looking to get some footage for... I even know like the entire name of the ride. It's so wordy. Hagrid's Motorbike Creature Adventure. Hagrid's Magical Creature Motorbike Adventure. The parking garage. The parking garage is open at around 6:30.
The line for Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure hit a 10-hour wait, and the line extended through the theme park. News 6's Nadine Yanis joins us now live outside Universal Orlando. And Nadine, you spoke with people.
10 hours? No.
I wouldn't wait more than about 20 minutes.
Yeah.
I mean, think of all the people.
I'm waiting over in Zeus Landing, and to give you guys a visual of where the ride is, that's about in the beginning of the park, and I have about maybe 2 more lands to go through just to get to the front of the gate of the actual attraction.
Die-hard fans were willing to wait a long time for their chance to ride on Universal's newest coaster at the Wizarding World of Harry Potter. Yeah, at one point, that line was 10 hours long. Packed into Universal Orlando for their anticipated new roller coaster. We're talking about Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure, officially open to the public.
The DJ over here too. Oh my god, it's another DJ. The same guy? Oh, this is hard to do. One hand.
In 20 minutes, there were 10-hour wait times. You can believe that? This ride is just 3 minutes long. All day long, we have been seeing tweets just like these. I mean,
maybe about a 2.5 hour wait at the moment. At the moment, we are waiting because inclement weather is in the area, so they're delaying the ride for a bit. I'm in the single rider's line, so it took a little faster than I expected. Intended to go already outside since like December, so it's really exciting. Can't wait to get off. I just got off the ride. It goes in so many different directions. You'll never know what's going to happen next. I think Universal should be really proud of this one, guys. So heading back to my car now. I think I'm going to just go edit this real quick and then upload it to YouTube for you guys. So I just picked up some lunch. I'm about to go edit my video real quick. They gave me a whole pie, which I didn't expect because I just said I was eating for one. She said, oh, one will do ya. Hang out over in the Starbucks over in City Walk a little bit. I am still on the fence about getting nighttime footage for the Hagrid Motorbike Adventure. I'll drop off my computer stuff, and then from there I'm going to decide what the rest of my days are going to look like. So maybe I'll do Hagrid's night, but I'm still on the fence about it. Come on, come on, come on! Okay, so it's going to be stuck here. We're gonna wait until 5:10. We'll come right. Oh! Ooh. Okay, so we're back. We could be good to go right now. I could go home right this second, but I'm already here. You might as well go get some nighttime footage. So you're able to call this number and you can be notified about capacity.
Thank you for calling Olive Garden Millennia. Ordering.
That's the Olive Garden Millennia. Sorry.
Universal's Islands of Adventure capacity hotline.
That's what it is.
We're sorry, but Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure is at capacity for today.
Ooh.
Please enjoy the rest of the Wizarding World
There it
of Harry
is.
Potter and our other amazing attractions
Okay.
around Universal or
Well, that's that then. Okay, guys, well, thank you for joining me with me today. I wish we could have gotten some nighttime stuff. That would have been a lot of fun. Guys, how's it going? We are blasting the AC today. It's now about almost noonish. We're heading off to Universal Studios, Islands of Adventure again to ride Hagrid's Magical Creature Motorbike Adventure. For the second time, we're gonna get nighttime footage this time. We weren't able to get it done opening night because it hit capacity, and I'm a little scared that's gonna happen again today, but I think we should be fine. Park closes at 8 or 9. Yeah, it's gonna be a fun day, I think. It's gonna be fun. I don't think it's gonna rain out on me too bad. It might rain, but it won't rain too bad. That's what we're hoping for. Universal actually came out with a statement yesterday announcing that they're going to be opening the attraction about midday every single day now, and it's gonna exceed past however long Islands of Adventure is open until. So I'm hoping that by the time I get there, which might be at around 1:30, 1 o'clock-ish, that I'm gonna be able to get on the ride and we can get there by the time the sun goes down. We'll see what happens. This came out of nowhere. So, if you guys are wondering what are the first things I do whenever I come to a theme park in the summer, the very first thing I do is go into a gift shop. Hagrid's hut is at the moment, and they did do a delayed spiel for weather, so we'll just see what happens with that. It's been about an hour and a half, went from nowhere, and now we're here now. So right now they're kind of delaying the ride a little bit more. We're right now over at this part of the ride, and we're still here where we were before. So we're just gonna chill out for a little bit more, and hopefully the line moves a little bit. Alright, so we made about this far to this kind of dark corridor of the queue, but they literally just announced another inclement weather warning, so we're going to be going down again. This will be about the 6th time it happened? Yeah, so the spiel just happened, so I think we'll be at the standstill for a little bit. Honestly, me too. So right now, we are about the tail end of the line. It's been funny so far. It's been real funny. People have been getting out of line, getting back in line. The crowd is getting rowdy. And this will be a riot soon.
Attention students, due to inclement weather conditions in the immediate area, today's lesson is being postponed for your safety. We apologize for the inconvenience and will keep you informed of further developments. Thank you for your cooperation and patience.
I've heard that spiel so many times today. At this point, I really don't. I really don't care at this point. I've just been in this line and I'm kind of dehydrated and hungry, but that's kind of my fault, you know, for waiting in an 8-hour line. So yeah, keep going. Okay, so they turned off the audio in the room of like the special effects thing going on upstairs, so I feel like people just kind of just know that they'd get annoyed by it. About 8 o'clock, and yeah, everyone's just kind of just hanging in there. Yeah, so when they said that, it was like done with the delay. There's like another delay, so we're all waiting again.
We will be closed for the remainder of the evening. For further instructions. Thank you so much for your cooperation and patience.
Big yikes. But now they're all just redirecting us out of here, so apparently this does happen quite often. So now it's just a one big like mass exodus at the moment right now. Everyone coming out of a child swap. Their children have not been swapped in like 2 hours. Those children were literally in swap limbo. I would have wanted to have been in there because like they show the movie in there.
Single-use passes that will get you into this attraction or a
Thank
different
you.
attraction. Thank you, guys.
You know what? I'm kind of happy that I can kind of just do whatever I want now at this point. Like I'm not even like tethered to the world anymore of Hagrid's magical creature motorbike adventure. But I'm gonna go on a ride, goddamn.
We looked and we saw him, the cat in the hat.
Better than Hagrid's. We couldn't get on the ride. There was about maybe, I'm gonna say at least more than 7 delays from the rain today. So if you're deciding to go on a Hagrid's magical creature motorbike adventure, then make sure to do it on a day where it doesn't rain. I want to thank Universal and all the team members, you know, today and grand opening for making all this possible. It's so strange to me that I'm even doing this. I'm waiting in line for these rides. It kind of puts in perspective as to like why we do these sort of things and why we pay money and shell out, you know, our time for these things. So I think there is a lot of ways to escape in life. You know, some people, they express themselves through art and they escape that way. Some people go to music festivals. Some people go to sporting events. Some people do drugs. And I think now more than ever, we need theme parks. We need more escape. It's where I go to just forget about stuff, you know? They're designed to help us escape in a sort of way. And the fact that I get to have that about 30 minutes away from where I live is truly one of the biggest blessings that I could think of.